Good morning dear student. Today we are going to prepare baklava. Baklava is a very famous dessert in Middle Eastern or Mediterranean cuisine. It is prepared by the refined flour dough and we use some nuts such as almonds or pistachio or walnuts as the filling inside it, and at the last we will glaze it by the mixture of honey or chasni. So I will show you what are the ingredients used for making the baklava and how do we prepare baklava. Please. So here are the ingredients which we are using today. We have taken the 300 gram of refined flour, 100 gram of pistachio. If you can go for the almonds and walnuts also. We have taken a 50 gram of almonds, 100 grams of butter. Butter will be used after when we will layer the dough, then we will need butter, and a few drops of lemon juice. We will add water, lemon juice and refined flour together to make a perfect dough. Here are the another ingredients which are required for making chasni or syrup. So it is required 100 gram of sugar, granulated sugar. Required some water for making chasni, just half of it. 150 ml of honey, cardamom powder, few sticks of cinnamon stick and 2 cloves. So now we are going to prepare the dough first. For making the dough we have mixed all the ingredients such as refined flour, lemon juice and water, and the dough you can see it is not a very fluffy or very soft. It must be a little bit of hard, and we will keep it inside a refrigerator for half an hour. So now we are starting to prepare chasni or syrup of sugar. For that we have placed the pot on fire and added about water, and now we will add the sugar which is required and stir it until sugar melt or infuse properly mixed with water. Then we will reduce it, and after that we will add cinnamon stick and clove to give a good flavor to the chasni, and honey will also added with cardamom powder. So these are the 4 ingredients which will be used after our chasni will reduce. Then we will add these all ingredients to give a good flavor. You can see. So student, our dough has been rested for half an hour inside the refrigerator. Now we are making a bowl from the dough, taking out one bowl each one time, and we will roll it out into thin slice. You can see we need to roll it in rectangular shape, and the layer of the rolling the dough should be very thin in size. So we have rolled out the whole ball from the dough, and now we are going to cut it into rectangular shape. So here we have taken the rectangular pan so that a even size shape we can get from it. This is the way. Now we have prepared the 16 thin layer from the dough. You can see here these are the thin slices which we get from the, and now we are going to place it into a rectangular tin. First of all we will apply butter in all the corners of the pan so that it will not stick easily inside the oven. Now we will place one sheet at a time, and then we will apply butter on top of it. Then the next sheet will be placed on top of the first sheet, and again we will apply butter on top of it. So here we have placed the 8 thin sheets from the dough in this pan, and now we are going to fill the pistachio and almond stuffing in between them. You can see the crushed pistachio and almond chunks we are going to fill in between them, and after it we are going to place the rest of the 8 seeds on top of it as the same process which we did earlier. First we will place the seed, then apply the butter, and then again we will repeat this process until all the seeds are placed on top of it. You can see we have placed the seed, thin layer seed, on top of the filling of pistachio and almonds, and again we are applying the butter. The proper applications of butter is must required. Only the baklava will get flaky in texture. So here we have placed all the seeds inside the pan and filled the stuffing properly. Now we are going to cut it into rectangular shape, or we can also cut it in diamond shape. Whatever shape you want to give, you can give it. So this is the way how to cut. Make sure that the tip of the knife must be touched into the bottom of the pan. Only then it will cut properly. So we are cutting it into diamond shape. So now we have cut it properly in diamond shape, and now we are going to place it inside the refrigerator for half an hour, and after that we will remove it from the refrigerator and keep inside the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes or 1 hour. Then we will remove it and we will decorate it by the applying sugar syrup or chasni and some garnishing on top of it. So dear student, we have placed the baklava inside the oven for 60 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius temperature, and now we have removed it from the oven. You can see here the flaky baklava has been cooked properly inside the oven, and now we are going to apply sugar syrup on top of it. Just remember, apply a little bit one by one so that it can insert properly. And now you can have and enjoy it after the meal. And now we are garnishing with flakes. You can use almonds, walnuts and some pistachio. So this is delicious baklava is ready. So this is how we prepared it. Thank you very much.